Welcome to today's video where we're going to show you how you can install the web chat widget onto your Shopify store. So a lot of questions have been made on how to exactly do this because Shopify is not really that clean and really that easy to use when it comes to adding custom scripts. But inside of this video, we're going to show you an easy way of doing this. So first of all, let's head over towards UChat. And from here, let's go towards the web chat widget. From here, we will go towards display style and we'll choose the floating model, which basically has the live chat widget on the bottom right corner. Now, from here, we will need to go towards the installation code. We can just copy and paste this. So we are going to copy this. Then we are going to head over towards Shopify, going towards our sales channels online store. From the online store, we will go towards the themes and then say three dots and let's say edit the code. Once it has been loaded, you see a lot of files on the right hand or on the left hand side. As you can see here, a few are behind my webcam, but the most important one that you will need to find is theme liquid. Once you are inside of this folder, you will need to search for the body tag. If we are going to take a look and scroll down, you will see that we have a body tag here, right? So we can just press behind the body closing tag here and just press enter. And now we can just insert, copy and paste the installation script of the web chat widget here. So if we do that, there we go, and we say save, we need to check one more thing inside the web chat widget settings, which is whether or not that we also whitelisted the domain itself. As you can see, the main domain is called myshopify.com, right? Or maybe you have a custom domain, then you will need to whitelist that custom domain. Now, if we go and preview this, so if we say preview the store, the web chat widget should show up on the bottom right corner. So if we hide the bar, you already see it showing up. So again, if the web chat widget is not showing up, that means that you did not enter the correct whitelisted domain under the web chat widget settings. So just go towards the gear icon, go towards whitelist domain, and make sure that this domain corresponds and correlates with your Shopify domain URL. So we hope this video helped you in understanding on how to add the web chat widget onto your Shopify store. If you have any questions, do let us know and we'll try to help you as soon as possible. For now, have a great day, take care and talk soon.